What's tricky when you transition from one view against this individual story to another. So again, I'm transitioning from the pound being stronger than the yen, or at least less weak than the yen, to the dollar. I like the dollar now. Again, the pound story has dramatically changed over the last, I'd say, 3-4 days. Easily in the last 24 hours. So if I do want to take advantage of the dollar yen, of course, any visit to the 20-period simple would be on the daily, would be a reason to look for a swing buy. Unfortunately, we already had a swing buy trigger over 4 hours ago, so that's not going to help me a whole heck of a lot. The 60-minute could be a Momo, and I don't want to get short this pair, so I'm going to have some bias here. We could have a Momo situation through resistance, which means I need my moving average of oscillator and wait for a breakout. Problem is that breakout puts me right in front of the major 9100 level, and risk reward wise it doesn't look great, and this wave is probably a little lumpier than I'd like. So this doesn't look as good as I would typically want it to look for a Momo. There's some support right there. So then all I'm left with at that point is between the greens for now. Now, will we set up some dollar yen positions moving forward? Yeah, that's my intention. But right now, unless you were already long the 240, this wasn't even on our radar until this morning, really. And it's going to be, in this case, this is going to be the dollar yen supplanting the pound yen. So between the greens in the meanwhile. So no, right now, no. Is it a good time to switch the dollar yen? Yes. I mean, I'm arguably a little late to the party, but I've been taking advantage of yen weakness in other ways, and I'm fine with that. Dollar yen we're going to scan, and then after consumer confidence, Kiwi yen. I'd love to get back into Kiwi yen, but I'm going to wait for after the RBNZ. So we'd probably be looking at Kiwi yen a little bit more aggressively, but since I've got RBNZ tomorrow at 3, I'm going to go ahead and hold off. Euro yen, would love to get a piece of Euro yen, even more than dollar yen. So I'm kind of in the same situation, Euro yen, as I am dollar yen. Either some sort of Momo breakout between the greens. We already triggered a 240. I really wanted those daily swings, which I came just shy of. But again, if this is a trend that's going to continue for the year, we'll get plenty of opportunity. So right now, this moment, no. Good time to focus on it, yes. Not yet the time to trade it.